In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix my AI not showing up on Snapchat. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video of 1-2-Step. My AI is the newest chatbot which has been made available to the people using Snapchat. Previously, it was only available on the Snapchat Plus, but now everyone using Snapchat can also access this feature. The My AI chatbot should be on the top of your chat list on your Snapchat. If this chatbot is not showing up for you, then the first thing that you can do in this case is update your Snapchat app. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Snapchat. Updating applications helps to add in new features that have been recently added. So you can just tap on update and make sure you update it to the latest version. Once you update the app, you should have the My AI feature on your Snapchat account. But if you still don't have the My AI feature on your Snapchat, this is because Snapchat is releasing this feature on a rolling basis. This means not everyone using Snapchat will have the AI feature all at once, so you'll need to wait out a couple of days before you have that feature. I'm gonna ask the My AI chatbot, why does not everyone have the My AI on their Snapchat? And it says My AI is a new feature that is being still rolled out gradually, so not everyone has it yet. So that is the main reason you're not having the My AI feature yet on your Snapchat. So in this case, what you can also do is try to create a new account of Snapchat, and once you do, you may have the My AI chatbot on the new account that you created. Until you get it on your main account of Snapchat, you can try out the second way, which is create a different account of Snapchat, and if you have that feature on that new account, use it for a while on that account. So that is the way that you can fix My AI not showing up on Snapchat. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.